area related to circles. Under this chapter, we are going to have 3 modules. First module, perimeter and area of circles, a review. In the earlier classes, we have studied this, but we are going to have a relook at this here in this module. Second, areas of sectors and segments of a circle, and the last one is areas of combination of plane figures. Now in this module we are going to look into perimeter and area of circle. If you have a circle with, this is the diameter d, or just the radius r, then the perimeter is pi into d, but we know d, diameter is equal to 2r, so perimeter is also equal to 2 pi r when you represent in terms of radius. Then when radius is r, area of the circle is pi r square. These are the two simple formulas what you need to use in this module for calculating the perimeter and area of a circle. With this, let us get into solving some exercises. First one, radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Now there are two circles. The radius of the first circle is 19 centimeter. Radius of the second circle R2 is 9 centimeter. We need to sum up the perimeters of these two circles and then find out the radius of such a circle. That is R, we do not know. R1 is 19 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of the first circle is 2 into pi into R1. R1 is 19, so many centimeter. Perimeter 2 equal to 2 into pi into R2, that is 9 centimeter. Perimeter of the third circle is sum of these two perimeters, that is P1 plus P2 equal to the perimeter of the new circle, that is 2 into pi into 19 plus 2 into pi into 9, that is equal to 2 into pi into radius of the new circle is r, which we need to find out. All these 2 pi's cancel out, so r equal to 19 plus 9, that is 28 centimeter. Now if you combine the perimeters of these two circles with the radius 19 and 9 centimeters, then the radius of the new circle formed by combining the perimeters is 28 centimeter. Next exercise, which is little bit similar to this. Radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeters. R1 equal to 8, R2 equal to 6 respectively. Find the radius of the circle having the area equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. Now the area of this circles A1 equal to pi into r square, that is 8 square. Now area of the second circle A2 equal to pi into r square, that is 6 square. Find the radius of the circle having the areas equal to the sum. That means A1 plus A2 is the area of the new circle, that is pi into 8 square plus pi into 6 square is the area of the new circle, that is pi r square, where we need to find out r. Pi, all the pi's get cancelled, so r square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square is equal to 64 plus 36 equal to 100. Therefore r equal to square root of 100 equal to 10 centimeter. So if you combine the areas of these two circles and find out the radius of such a circle, that radius is 10 centimeter. Third exercise. Figure given depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center onwards, as the insidemost area is gold, then red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold is 21 centimeter. The diameter of this is 21 centimeters. So for the gold region, I will represent the radius as R1, that is equal to 21 by 2, because diameter divided by 2 is 10.5 centimeter. Each band is of width 10.5 centimeter. So radius of next band, that is red, we'll say R, radius is R2 is equal to radius of gold band, that is 10.5 plus width of red band, that is 10.5 again, that is 21 centimeter. Next is blue, that I will mark as R3, the radius, that is radius of red band 21 plus 10.5, this is 31.5. Then black band, this is R4, this is equal to 31.5 plus the width of the black band, that is 10.5, that is 42 centimeter. The last one is white, that is R5, that is equal to 42.0 plus 10.5 is 52.5 centimeter. These are the radii of each band. Now we need to find out the area of each region. Now first one, gold. Area of gold region. Gold region is circular, so that is pi into R1 square. Pi we need to take as 22 divided by 7 into R1 square, it is 10.5 into 10.5, this is 1.5. So 22 into 1.5 is 33 into 10.5. This gives, I have calculated here, 346.5 centimeter square. This is the area of innermost band, that is gold. Now area of red region, that is area of this entire circle, that is pi R2 square minus area of this circle which is golden in color, that is minus pi R1 square. If you take pi out, pi into R2 square minus R1 square, this is in the form of a square minus b square, so it is pi into R2 plus R1, that is a plus b into R2 minus R1. So this is equal to 22 divided by 7 into R2 plus R1. R2 plus R1 is 31.5 into R2 minus R1, that is 10.5. So 7, 1.5. So this is again 33 into 31.5. this comes to 1039.5 centimeter square if you simplify. Now next region is blue. Area of blue region, that is pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. So if you take pi out, pi into r3 square minus r2 square can be written as r3 plus r2 into r3 minus r2. Pi is 22 divided by 7. R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2 is 31.5 plus 21. That is 52.5 into R3 minus R2 is again 10.5, 7, 1.5 times. So this is 33 into 52.5. This comes to 1732.5 centimeter square. Area of black region, that is equal to pi into r4 square minus pi into r3 square. So this can be written as pi into r4 plus r3 into r4 minus r3, that is 22 divided by 7. R4 plus R3. R4 is 42. R3 is 31.5. So this is 73.5. R4 plus R3. So 73.5 into R4 minus R3 is 10.5. 7, 1.5 times, 1.5 times. This is 33 into 73.5. This comes to 2425.5 centimeter square. The last one is area of white region. This is equal to pi r5 square minus r4 square. That is pi into r5 plus r4 into r5 minus r4. Pi is 22 divided by 7 into r5 plus r4. R5 is 52.5, R4 is 42, so this is 94.5. So it is 94.5 into 10.5, so 7, 1.5 times. This is 33 into 94.5, that comes to 3118.5 centimeter square. These are the areas of all these colored regions in this archery target. Let us go to the next sum. Fourth sum. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Now diameter is 80 centimeter. This is the wheel, diameter is 80 centimeter. Therefore radius r is 40 centimeters. Therefore perimeter of the wheel, perimeter of the wheel, that is 2 into pi into r, that is 2 into 22 divided by 7, and r is 40. This is the so many centimeters. This is the perimeter of the wheel. When the wheel rotates once, that is per revolution, it travels a distance equal to the perimeter. Per revolution, distance traveled by the wheel is equal to its perimeter. Now, what is the total distance to be traveled? Total distance to be traveled, that is equal to, what is the speed per hour? That is 66 kilometer. So I want it in centimeter because this is in centimeter. So multiply by 1000, again by 100. This converts kilometer into meter and then to centimeter. But this is the distance traveled in centimeters per hour, but I want it per minute. So I am dividing by 60, but I want it for 10 minutes. So I am multiplying by 10 minutes. The wheel travels or the car travels in 10 minutes at a speed of 66 km per hour. Now this 0 cancels with this. This is 6, 11. So it comes to 11 into 1, then 5 zeros. So many centimeter. This is the distance to be traveled, total distance. In one revolution, the wheel travels so much distance. Therefore, the number of revolutions is total distance to be traveled divided by distance traveled in one revolution. So that is equal to 11 into 1 lakh divided by 2 into 22 divided by 7 into is 40 into 40. So that is equal to 11 into 1 lakh into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 40. This 0 goes with this. 11 2s are, now 2 into 4, 8. 1000 divided by 8 is 125. So it is 1250 into 7 divided by 2. This is 625. Now if I multiply 625 with 7, then it comes to 4375 revolutions. So when the car travels at a speed of 66 km per hour for 10 minutes, then the number of revolutions that the wheel makes is 4375. Last problem. Tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is, what it says is perimeter P equal to A. Now let R be the radius. Then perimeter equal to 2 pi r is equal to area. Area is pi r square. Pi cancel out, r and this r. Therefore radius equal to 2. That is, when the radius of any circle is 2 units, then perimeter of that circle is equal to the area of the circle numerically. So the answer is 2 units. So it is A.